So I am Althea Fuller, and I want to share my experience in this course, especially my demonstration. So my experience in this demonstration teaching was a roller coaster of emotions. Actually, I felt excitement at first and anticipation as well, but also nervousness that made my hands tremble at that time, especially on the spot. There were moments when I stuttered, moments when I questioned myself, and moments when I felt I could have done more. It was not a perfect performance or demonstration for me, and I was not entirely satisfied. Yet, in the midst of that emotions or all of those emotions I felt, I came to a deeper realization about teaching and about myself. Teaching is not about being flawless. It is about being present, intentional, and sincere as well. As I integrated values into my lessons, I realized that these are not just concepts to be discussed, but principles to be lived out, even in the moments of uncertainty. I also realized that values can be instilled regardless of the subject being taught. It's not limited to values education alone, even in mathematics. Even in my subject like arts, particularly in my subject or in my topic pottery, I saw how values like creativity, perseverance, mindfulness, and appreciation of process naturally emerge. And the act of shaping clay, the act of discussing things outside values educations become more than just an activity. It becomes a reflection for me of patience, self-expression, and respect for one's work. Despite my imperfections, I know deep within me that I gave my very best because I showed up. I tried and remained committed to delivering my lessons with authenticity because actually I have a lot of circumstances happening around me, and I was so unstable when I did or I've done my demonstration, but I'm very bold to show up. I tried and I remained to deliver my lesson. And in that process, I embodied that very values I aim to teach, which is the perseverance in the face of pressure, humility in recognizing my shortcomings, and courage in continuing despite of fear. And this experience reminded me that teaching is not just an academic task, but a deeply human one. It is about connecting, reflecting, and growing not only for the students but also for the teacher. And through this roller coaster of emotions, I found not just lessons for myself, but lessons for my future self or me as a future educator. That's all. Thank you.